Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Believe in your potential. Every person has the ability to do great things. Self confidence helps you move forward. Doubt weakens your strength. Try to improve your skills. When you believe in yourself, challenges feel easier. Your potential can be limitless. Hard work turns potential into reality. Never underestimate your ability. So believe in your potential and move forward. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.